What's up, my home seller clients? It's Rex, and in this video I want to talk to you about professional photography. How important is it really? I mean, so many agents just show up with a cell phone, smack a bunch of pictures, and run out. So what's the difference? Does it even matter? Who cares? If that's something you're interested in finding out about, stick around. So professional photography when you're selling a home, is it really that important? I mean, it's expensive. Takes time, you got to get the house ready and all this kind of stuff. And so many agents just show up with cell phones. So what's the difference? Is it really that important? I think it's about the most important thing you can do. When I first started in real estate, they didn't have any photos anywhere, online or anything else. It was just me telling people about the house, or I would read descriptions and this kind of stuff. Now, everything's flipped. So the home buyers have access to all the homes, and they have access to all the photography on those homes, and they're sitting online and they're searching around on one of the consumer-based websites like Zillow or Trulia or HomeGain or something else, or one of the big realtor websites, and you're going to be on all of those. Anywhere a home buyer is going to be looking, you're going to be there. They're going to see your house. So when they get there and your house shows up, it better be great. Understanding from the home buyer's perspective, they're making their decision on whether they're going to go see a home or whether they're going to delete a home based on pictures. And deleting homes is easy and fun. Delete, 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 right? It's easy, right from their chair. They can delete 100 homes in 10 minutes if they want. But going out and seeing a home in person, that's hard. I mean, they got to call a salesperson. Nobody wants to do that. They got to go over a house, deal with pressure, maybe dogs barking at them, schedule time with their family and this kind of stuff to, someone pick up the kids or whatever. So seeing a home in person is hard, although it's the most important thing they can do, right? Because seeing a home online is nothing like seeing a home in person. That's like a whole different experience when you drive up to the property and, here comes the lights, and, you open the front door and you go through the kitchen and you're upstairs and downstairs looking around and getting the feel for the environment and everything else and seeing the view from the outside. It's a huge difference seeing it online and seeing it in person. And our whole goal is to get them there to see it in person, because nobody can buy a home on the computer yet. Maybe someday soon. I don't know. Amazon's probably working on it right now. So I don't know how that would work exactly, because they'd have to buy the home without ever seeing. I don't know. They still have to go see the house, right? So that's really important to us. We want to make sure you have professional photos because we want them to look great. So when buyers are looking at property online, they're like, I can't see that property, that picture, it's dark and blurry. And there's so many homes where they tried to sell them and they couldn't sell them, and we came in and did our process and sold them within just a few days. And we would redo all the photos, of course, repost the whole thing online, and suddenly we'd sell the house for the same exact price or a little bit more than they had it for sale for 6 months. And we do it in just a few days. And professional photography has a lot to do with that. So we want to make sure we have professional photos. It's super important. You got to do it. Even, your agent should be paying for that. I mean, when we do it, we don't charge you for it. We actually do the photography. We have in fact, here, hold on a second. I'll be right back. So in addition to being a professional realtor, I'm also a professional photographer. Here's my camera. This is my Canon 5D Mark IV, brand new camera. It's one of their newest models. It's a professional camera. It's got a 16-35 wide angle lens on it, and it makes the room look amazing. It opens it wide open and it looks amazing. And we do multiple exposures, so we'll put it on the tripod, shoot multiple different, I don't even know how to say it, just light exposures, right? So, and then some from dark to super bright, and then we'll combine them all into one perfect moment in time. So you have this one beautiful photo that you can see all the grain in the wood in the kitchen, and then you can also see out the window of the kitchen. Because normally if you just take a picture, it's all bright, you can't see anything outside. But when we combine the photos, now you can see outside, you can see the pool or the view or the grocery store next door or whatever. Well, put the blinds, close those for that. But you can see it through the windows, and you can see the whole room, and it looks great. The color's perfect. So professional photography is probably one of the most important things. It's one of the most important things. There's 3 or 4 or 5 really, really important things. Probably 10 really, I don't know, it could go on forever with that. But it's really important to have professional photography, and we do it every time. I mean, I guess there might be 1 or 2 experiences where it doesn't make sense, but that's really, really rare, and we'll talk to you about it then. But it's normally a home that's a complete wreck or something like that. Anyhow, so professional photography is super important, and I think that's it for this video. So we'll see you at your house with our photographer, I guess.